Welcome queens, welcome king, welcome home boy, welcome home girl. Thank you again. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for all the love so much. On today's episode, I will be talking about how to take a proper measurement of your hair. But before we proceed, I need to introduce myself once again to you. My name is Lola. I am the owner and CEO of Hair by Anything. Taking accurate measurement of your head or knowing the size of your head will help you to choose the right wig cap. On so many websites out there, you can see a chart like this. It's on my website as well because it helps you to know the size of your head so that you can choose the right wig. Not the right wig, the right wig cap for you. I received some messages about, okay, what is the meaning of this and that. Today's video will show you how to take the measurement of your head, and this work for the general wig sizes out there: small, extra small, small, large, medium. What did I say? Extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. So when you know the accurate measurement of your head, it will help you choose the right wig cap for you. Okay, so that is all I'm trying to say. You don't have to use adjustable band. You don't have to use elastic band. You don't have to use wig comb. All those things are just extra security. But if you take the accurate measurement of your head, you don't need all those things. But if you want it, those ones are just optional. I know if you buy a wig that is bigger than your head, you are not going to. I promise you, this is not you will not enjoy it, because the wig is the cap of that wig is bigger than your head. And to cap it all, the worst one is to get a wig that is smaller than your head. There's no way you're going to fit it. The bigger one is still okay because you can still add adjustable band to it you can still manage. But any wig that is smaller than your head, there's no way you can fit it, except you're going to turn it into something I don't know. So, but in order to avoid the headache, okay sis, okay queen, take accurate measurement of your head. And that is what we are going to do next. And let's roll into the video.